Unlocking your green thumb, effortless gardening tips for beginners. Gardening can be a challenge, but with the right approach, anyone can cultivate a thriving green space. Start by choosing the right plants for your climate. Succulents for dry areas, ferns for damp spaces, it makes a difference. Next, remember to water wisely. Overwatering is a common mistake. Your plants don't need a daily drenching, they need consistent, appropriate moisture. Proper placement is crucial. Some plants love the sun, others prefer shade. Know your plant's preferences and place them accordingly in your garden. Don't forget about soil health. Enrich your soil with organic compost to provide nutrients to your plants. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Finally, patience is key. Plants grow slowly and require time to flourish. Don't rush the process, enjoy the journey of cultivating life. Remember, gardening should be enjoyable. Use these tips to make your gardening journey effortless and rewarding.